Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, guys, I don't know if any of you recognize this disassembled transmission, guys. This happened to be a CVT out of a 2012 Jeep Patriot. Yes, this transmission can be found in numerous makes and model of cars, okay, but this particular one come out of a Jeep Patriot. Now, what we want to talk about today is how to prevent you needing such work. Okay, this transmission is pretty much we ended up replacing it, guys. We was unable to repair this. In our case, Chrysler would jump in and tell us to replace the unit. That is exactly what we did. But guys, I want to go over something with you real quick. Okay, now this happened to be, like I said before, a CVT unit. Guys, this is not a sealed transmission, okay? Meaning you can perform a transmission service on it, all right? Yes, it is not sealed. It is not dipstickless, okay? Yes, there is a dipstick. There is a way to check the fluid. Now, I want to make sure you guys understand that. I want to make sure you guys are not doing your transmission service. Guys, if you go on the maintenance schedule, okay, let me put the screen up right here. Go on to your normal maintenance schedule program. If you will stroll down right around 64,000 miles, I think that's when it says, all right, guys, so yes, you can service this transmission. There is a gasket available for it, and there happens to be a filter available for it. There is even a cooler filter available for this transmission, okay? This is the area where the cooler go at right here, okay? Yes, this filter can be serviced, guys, but I want to make sure you guys understand you can help prolong the life of your transmission by simply doing regular scheduled maintenance, okay? The transmission can be serviced, all right? Now, as far as fluid go, guys, we typically use Mopar CVT Plus transmission fluid here, okay? Now, there are some Valvoline model brand out there that is compatible, okay? I'll use the word compatible. Yes, it's compatible. I have been confirmed that it will work in a CVT unit. But for now, guys, I want to make sure you guys understand the importance of transmission service, so you will not end up like this. Okay, we literally had to replace this unit. I decided to tear it down, see if I can find out exactly what went wrong. We was dealing with noises, so I'm looking for burnout bearings. All right, we was dealing with slipping and all kinds of hesitation. All right, so guys, what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna take a break real quick, and I'm gonna go, when we get back, we're gonna go to the actual car, and we're gonna perform a transmission service, okay? Now, guys, keep in mind, a transmission service is designed to help prolong the life of your transmission, okay? By changing that fluid and that filter, you're essentially getting out any of the old potential trash that's in it. Some of that trash may be forming due to normal wear of any transmission. There was a torque converter on this transmission, okay? I'm sure there's clutches inside of there. Over time, clutches will wear. That debris has to go somewhere. It is the job of the transmission filter to filter out that debris, so that debris will not make it back into the transmission and cause more damage. So, knowing that, you should also understand that a transmission service is very, very important. Okay, now please also understand that a transmission service is totally different from a transmission flush job. Okay, a flush job, you're not changing the filter. All right, I have a whole different opinion about transmission flush. I am a big fan of the transmission service, simply because the filter gets to be removed, come out, and replaced. All right, now let me take a break. When I get back, we're gonna go to the car and we're gonna perform a transmission system service on a CVT unit found in this Jeep Patriot. All right, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back.